Hi, this is ARUNACHALAM. Today let us analyze the stock Antony Waste Handling Cell Limited. So after hitting the bottom near the price range of 240, the stock started moving higher. So we can consider a good rally in the stock for short term, and the short term target is around the price range of 400. So 400 can be taken as the first resistance for the stock for short term, and the stock has potential to move higher and higher. So the company is doing great, so we can expect a good rally in the stock for short term. So this is the weekly chart, and there is no much data to analyze in the monthly chart. So this is the weekly chart, so we can analyze in the weekly chart first. So in the weekly chart, the stock is in a downtrend because the stock was listed around the price range of 430, and currently the stock is trading near the price range of 300. So it's a fall from 400 to 300, and the stock is somehow looking good right now after hitting the support region around the price range of 240. Now the stock may also move higher till the price range of 400 for short term. So now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. So this is the support region. So after hitting the support region, the stock just started moving higher, and there is a good breakout also. So this can be considered as a good breakout. So after breakout, the stock just started moving higher. So we can consider this as a positive sign for the stock in the weekly chart. So it's a falling wedge. So there is a breakout in the falling wedge. So we can consider this as a positive sign in the weekly chart. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze further. But before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and hit subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any ideas published in our channel. So let me move to the daily chart now. So this is the daily chart. So let me adjust the trend line. So this can be considered as a good breakout from a falling wedge. So breakout from a falling wedge is very powerful. And look at the last traded candles. So candles show some weakness. So we can consider going long in the stock after a good retracement. So the stock might also take a good retracement, and then it may also form a reaccumulation zone. So the price range of 280 to 290 can be considered as a good support region. So violation of that range can be considered as a weakness. So one can cut positions on breakdown of 280 price range. So this breakout is valid, and we can consider going long in the stock, and the support region is around 280 price range. So one can consider the price range of 280 as a most immediate support for the stock, and the price range of 450 can be taken as the most important level in the stock, and this can be also considered as a good resistance for the stock. And let me draw a trend line that governs the stock. So this trend line can be considered as a good trend line, and the price range of 400 can be considered as a good resistance for the stock for short term. So the stock may also break the price range of 400. So one can also use 50-day or 200-day exponential moving average to ride the trend. So using 50-day exponential moving average is very fine in the stock, and currently the stock gave a breakout and used 50-day exponential moving average to ride the trend, and use 50-day exponential moving average to enter the stock at a pullback, and 200-day exponential moving average can also be used, but there is no much data to analyze using 200 exponential moving average. So use 50-day exponential moving average for short term, and for long term the company is looking good. So you can consider analyzing the stock for long term and enter the stock only after understanding the balance sheet and fundamentals of the company. So the stock is looking good. So one can consider a good retracement till the price range of 280 for short term, and the breakout of the price range of 310 can trigger a further rally, and the price range of 400 to 450 can be considered as a good resistance for the stock. So one can consider exiting the stock around the price range of 400 for short term. So one can also use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the trend past 400 price range. So 400 to 450 can be taken as the most crucial level in the stock. So one can consider exiting completely or partially in this stock for short term, and the stock is good for long term also. Just enter the stock after analyzing the fundamentals of the company. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally thank you for watching our videos.